Hey guys, I'm Angel Gomez and I'm from the ethics class that's 8 a.m. Well, supposed to. You see, now it's all online because of the COVID-19. So now we're doing assignments on the computer, which is better for me since I don't want to do presentations right now. Well, I mean, I would, but not show in front of class like this. I'd much rather show it to the teacher only because I really don't want other people to see me, especially since I don't like hearing my voice recording. That's not important right now. Right now, I'm doing a project on a debate on a specific topic. Mine is gun control. The reason I'm doing that is because I have experience researching it. The other topics I saw are topics that I'm really confused right now, and stuff that I really don't want to go with. Sex, wealth, well, I can do that, but gun control is the more controversial of all of them. And I feel like I'll do more better if I actually do a topic that I know more of. But that's not important right now. It's on debate on gun control. Now, you want to know what gun control is? Now, I don't want to show that because it'll be a bit misleading. But I'll give you the summary of each slide. Alright, so this slide for Pacific for our citizens to own a gun they make sure not to have people who use tactics like harm others or use it to rob others. That's where gun control comes in. For almost a century, or it's more. It's actually for a very long time. Used by the executive as more violence now. Now, what are the good sides of violence? Well, you see, what are the ups and downs? Here, I'm only going to the ups since they're more better. Alright then, the ups is that it can help give citizens a better chance on protecting themselves, especially when it comes to night times. That's where most violence happens. Now, if you're maybe wondering if that there might be some people who might use it badly, they make sure to check the person. They make sure and give them specific instructions, background check, to make sure they're not find the people who might use them for meaningless stuff. And for those of you who might feel like you're in danger, now there's very few people now who have this kind of violence. Now, of course, there's protests and all that stuff. Right now, they're using gas grenades or many other kinds of topics. They're not made out of lethal bullets. So you're not, but don't worry, you're perfectly safe. And not only that, but guns can actually be very protective and can be used very good, as long as you actually use it well. Hence why many public areas like parks or monuments or even private companies tend to have bodyguards with guns as a way to protect others from any kind of danger. Now, of course, there's always going to be bad stuff about them. Now, what are they? Well, then, there's many supplies and demands in basically in many crime syndicates like the mafia or Russians who might be able to use them, or terrorist groups who, because of guns and supplies, or be able to use them to harm others in their country. And even without memberships, licensing, there's still people who are using them recklessly or illegally. And that is the kind of thing that's been debated for many years. That's not important. Gun controls, while it has many flaws, numerous flaws in the law system, there are many cases that have been created because of misused gun control, such as the Columbia vs. Helen, which was a big misunderstanding on the guns. That's specifically a person and another person who did not exactly work out so well. The case was a disappointment and it just leads to confusion, but everything worked out then. And now, when citizens have more guns, I feel like there feels like many law protectors like police, security guards feel like they don't have a purpose anymore, since many citizens that they want to protect have guns anyway, so it really doesn't show much. Alright. Now there are pros and cons with anything, especially with topics like this. Gun control, there's many I can name, but I don't want to really go on and on. So, what is my opinion in conclusion about everything? Well, I'll tell you one thing, is that gun control, it's a good thing to do, but if you use it carefully, and you need to be up to date and well informed about the world. See, the world is changing right now, and with change, there's new policies, new people, and new methods that criminals might be using them recklessly. So, gun control, the government must update it every day in order to make sure that fully use it rightly. So, in short, make sure the government should always keep up to date with many kinds of policies like gun control, or if not, it could lead to misfortune, confusion, and violence. So long as they can change it, the citizens will be proud, the government will be full well informed, and above all, everything will be safe and well.